Hi guys, this is Gaurang and we are starting the Geeks for Geeks series of question practice. Today is day 12 and we are start and here's the question multiplication table. So given the n, given a number n, print the multiplication table 1 to 10 okay in a single line. Okay. Here's the 9 table 9 to the 18 to the 27, 36, 45, and this is. So our code is here, and is the input, and we have to take a loop for I in for I in range. We have to take 1 to 11. Why 1 to 11? Because if we take 10, 1 to 10, it will only takes the 9, so we will take the 11 for I in range 1 to 11. Okay, now we will take the loop like this, like I into, so we'll gently print I into n into I and compile the code. Let's see what's the answer. Okay, so see, the answer gets in different lines, in a multiple lines, and we need to get in a single line. So we'll take the end function here like this, and now I expect the answer will be correct. Oh, answer is not correct. Oh, it's it has no difference between space. So we will take a space here like this. We'll again compile this code. Okay, now we'll submit. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. Goodbye.